Welcome back to the segment Omovotv. I want to show you exactly how it is done, and everything is connected right, as I showed you initially that you have to connect everything right, and it's okay. The manual you can find all the connections there is good to go. Now we are now having our TV set. We connected our HDMI cable to the back of the TV, so it's done. So we're going to be looking at it now. We're going to on Omovotv decoder. Now we are on it, and it's starting now. It started booting because it's a system, it's a device, not just a decoder, just ordinary decoder. No, it has a processor. It has to do some process, and it's booting. Now the booting is finished. Now it's launching the whole system. As you can see, Omovotv, the future is here. Why we say the future is here is because the future of TV is just finally arrived in Nigeria, because this is what they need to have a very good entertainment in your house, and you need everything here. Okay, now it's the home page of this Omovotv. As you can see, the home page, and immediately you start this device, we'll do what is called package installer, which does something like it does update of the new apps we have on our server, on our network center in Europe. It does every update, and then this you can also exit from this so that I can go on with what you are doing. Immediately the system gets to have internet on it. This is what happens immediately. It starts updating. So automatically it updates, and every apps are all working perfectly well. So now we can click on the remote control, we can click exit, to go out of this. So now we have gotten to the main page of Omovo Hybrid Entertainment Box. Now we want to make a decision now where to go. We want to go to satellite. Yes, you can go free to air, because I showed you initially that the back of it is you have sat in, where you can already, if you have a dish already, you don't need to buy the dish from us. You can have the dish working, just connect it at the back of it, and that's it, and it's done. So now this has been connected to this has been connected to a satellite like Intelsat. We've done Intelsat now 20. We have done Astra, the same thing, because we have a solution that can make this device this device can adapt like three satellites in one box. So you don't need to have 3 boxes to be on a different satellite. No, 3 satellites can go on one box like this. So it's not a problem. On one point, we have the system working. So now here we only have two dish, which have been positioned to different locations, and now we have everything working. So I'll show you how it goes. Now we're going to be going on the. But before we proceed, the easiest one to do is to go direct to satellite. You don't need to do anything. Connect your satellite and you start using it. That's it. So now I'm going to move the mouse. The mouse to. Yes, we can use the mouse. As I told you initially, it has a mouse. It's connected also. You can use it. But let me use the remote for now. Maybe later I can use the mouse. For those of you who are lazy, we don't want to press. They don't like to use keyboard like this. So you can use the mouse. Now I have this mouse on the screen now. So when I click on satellite, right, I'll be going to the satellite. But I want to do something first. First time we start this box, what you need to do is to make sure you have an internet connection around you, maybe wireless on your house, or you have direct cable to connect to the back of it, or you have a hotspot in your phone which is really enabled. If you enable a hotspot, then you could see the hotspot in your phone directly on this place. So what we do now first is to go to the menu to make sure that the settings are done properly. So you go to the menu. I'm going to go there now. I click the menu. Now you can see this is the first stages you go, because in this stage you need to determine what you want, what you actually want. You want to have a language in English. You want to have everything written here in English, or you want to have them in Spanish. You want to have them on French, or whatever language you want to, because we are to sell to everywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can still have this device. So now, when we look at this device, you can see time is there. We have Wi-Fi, we have display. You can change your display to whatever you want. You can say, okay, I want to have this screen to be just a smaller portion of it. I want to watch So it doesn't matter what you want. But I advise everyone to put it on automatic. So let's go to the screen first. You see the screen mode. You see the output interface is HDMI, which is what we have connected to the TV. Then I have to do something now. See, it is automatically locked. So for this automatic settings is the best for you because you will know your screen, know your TV, whatever you have as a TV, you can automatically lock it to that very particular size of the pixels, you know. So now we've done our automatic one, so it's okay, good. So we're going to be clicking exit again on the remote to go out of this. Good. So when we go here, we see time also is very important because any country you go, you have different time. Maybe some time zones from different locations. You have different time zones. So good. It's not a problem. So you could just go here and say, okay, good. Where am I now? Oh, I'm in Africa. That is where I'm talking from now. So I could say, what is the time zone? You can make a choice. You have the Eastern time zone, you have Venezuela time zone, you have Mexico time zone, you have Central time zone, different time zone. So we will make a decision. Say, okay, let me scroll down, blah, blah, blah. Let me see where does fit me, right? If you're in London, this is your time zone. Well, I'm in West Africa. You can see here, I'm in West Africa. So I'll go here and I click it. So now the time zone has changed to this West Africa, so it doesn't matter anymore. It can be Nigeria, it can be Ghana, it can be whatever, but I'm in Nigeria now, so it's going to be changed. So now after this time zone, you're going to be doing something very, very fantastic. You go to the language segment, you decide what you want to do: Dutch, English, Spanish, French, and Italian, no, and the Portuguese, different languages. But well, I don't know which language you will have, but I think I have a pretty of them here, so you can make a choice. Okay, if you don't find your language, then I'm sorry. In the next version, maybe we can create more languages, but we have more used language in the world, so which is like English, French, and Portuguese and things like that. So it's okay. If I don't mention your language, it doesn't really matter. I have Russian language here, I have Turkish language here, I have different language, so at least you can make do of one. So, but I am in English country, so I have to check on this one. So now everything here is written in English, so it's fantastic. But if I try to make a change, maybe for example, I want to go Dutch. If I click on Dutch, things here will change to Dutch. You can see it's now Dutch, you know, some things are changeable, some are not changeable, but it's okay. But I have to go back to English. I know very well, so I use the mouse, click on it, English. Thank you. So now, after all this, the next thing to do is to go to the Wi-Fi, because you need to connect to the Wi-Fi. It's either you have a Wi-Fi at home or you have your phone. You have internet on it. All you need to do is just connect to the hotspot on your phone. Most phones does the little bit good hotspot, mainly on the high Android device. They are very good on hotspot. So just enable one and then use your data on your phone and play around with it. It doesn't take much of your data. It's just like a phone, so it works like a phone. So it doesn't matter. So now we are going on the Wi-Fi now. Good. So you can see I have a hotspot on the phone now. Like this is a hotspot, but I think it's not. It's very far from here. And I have my wireless in this vicinity, which is Omovotv wireless. That's the name I give to my wireless. So now already it has been connected. But in case it is not connected, for example, this is the one that is connected, blah blah blah. But then it's okay, it's connected. So when you go here, you can also see different wireless. You can just connect and put your password. That's it. You are gone. So now it's connected already, so it's working. So we don't need to do anything extra. Then we're going to be doing exit. Good. So we go down to click done. We are now done with this explanation. Go. Good. The next thing you do, because you need to actually go to the Omovotv website, or anything you buy, you'll be advised to go to the Omovotv website and create your username and password. But we are not getting there yet. But now I want to show you something now.